friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to a summer home decor shop with me and haul. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. So today we're gonna go head out to Home Goods. I've actually already gone, so I'm super excited to show you what I picked up. I'm gonna show you the things that I saw throughout the store. Home Goods is one of my favorite places to shop when it comes to the summer. They just always have such great finds that you're not going to see anywhere else. You know what I mean? Things that you wouldn't necessarily think of. And I'm really excited about the things that I found. So let's go shopping. We'll come right back here and I'll show you what I picked up. So as I mentioned, I feel like I had a really good shopping experience this time. I found a lot of really great things. One of my favorite things to shop for at Home Goods is their like beach decor. It's not always what you would imagine. I have found so many great items there, like my wooden whales that I absolutely love. And we're gonna be decorating for like 4th of July, kind of Americana style for Memorial Day and 4th of July. And then that's gonna come down and we will do a beach theme for the rest of the summer. And I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. And I'm actually collecting items for my bedroom as well, because we're gonna be doing a redecorate in my bedroom. Let's go ahead and get into the things I picked up. Speaking of my bedroom, first thing I grabbed is actually for my bedroom. I don't know, it might come out here during the summer, but it is this gorgeous vase of seashells. You guys, I fell in love with this the second I saw it. This was $14.99 and I think it's gorgeous. Again, it's beach themed, but it doesn't like scream beach. You know what I mean? This, in my mind, this is very classy, very chic, and it can fit into, you know, the most minimal of decor styles. Absolutely beautiful, and you can put a faux plant in here, a real plant in here, all kinds of different things. It's gonna be gorgeous. For my bed, I think, or possibly the sofa, I'm not sure yet, I picked up this small, short lumbar pillow. I am a sucker for blue and white stripe, like my absolute favorite. It screams Nancy Meyers to me, like just cozy, coastal, you know, cottage, farmhouse yumminess. So I picked this up. It does have a nice like waffle texture to it. Really pretty, and that blue is one of my favorites. I also picked up these water resistant cushions for our rocking chairs on the back deck. I tried to grab some from Walmart, but they just were not big enough. They were too small and they did not fit those big rocking chairs. So I was able to find these and they're really nice. I like that they're water resistant. They aren't water, completely water proof, but they are designed to be outside. And I liked the color. I liked that they were very neutral. Staying with the things that I picked up from my room, I also picked up these beautiful like shells. This says Botanical Luxury Fragrant Decor. So it does have a scent to it. It's very, very clean and it smells delightful. But I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And I thought that this would be gorgeous in a jar like what I have here in my kitchen. I don't know if you can see that from over there, but I've got this jar full of flour. I thought this would be really pretty in a jar like that on my dresser in my bedroom or here in, the dining room or something for the summer. Just really, really pretty and they smell really nice. It does say it's potpourri. I didn't realize that when I got it, but it did kind of bust open on my drive home and I smell it now and it smells really good. Thank goodness it smells good. That would have been a bummer. This next item I did purchase because it smells good and it is this Red Leaf Home Island Reef Coconut Wax Blend Candle. And again, got it for either my bedroom or summer. It smells like a haichu, fresh pineapple and guava mixed with coconut water. It smells like a haichu candy if you've ever had a haichu, which are some of my absolute favorite candies if you didn't know, but so incredibly good. It's like a Starburst, but better. Smells like the guava haichu. It is so good. I would like to put some coconut rum in this and drink it. Thank you. Smells like a summer cocktail. The last bit of coastal decor that I picked up were these candlesticks, which I absolutely fell in love with. They've got these beautiful starfish on them. These are from Coastal Collection. They were $9.99 each and they are so pretty. And I just thought that these would look gorgeous on the peg rail shelf in my family room for the summer. And I got them on the same height because I already have gold ones over there. So I figured I could just switch out one of them for the summer instead of getting 4 brand new ones. You know what I mean? Spend $20 instead of $40. And I love them. The next 2 items that I picked up are Americana decor. This first one is fantastic. It is this great framed flag artwork. This is very like Ralph Lauren to me. I really, really, really loved it. I thought it was really pretty. The frame is very pretty. It's like this brushed gold. And I like that it looks almost like a canvas. If you can see that, it does have some texture to it. So I thought that this would look really nice on the entertainment center in my family room. So we're gonna be doing this decorating here very soon. This is gonna be the next decorating video you see. So you'll see me decorating with this very soon. I also fell in love with this My Mind's Eye felt banner. Looks like this. I have told you guys before about my love for a felt banner. This is 4.5 feet, looks like this. And I thought it would actually be really cute in my coffee bar for the, for May and, until the 4th of July. Either that or the sofa table behind my sofa. So really, really cute. Maybe even the entryway. We're gonna have to see. I'm sure that I have more than one, flag bunting. I am a bunting collector. It's one of the things that I would say I find myself buying, especially if it's felt. In My Mind's Eye is one of my favorite decor pieces or decor companies, and you can always find them at Home Goods, TJ Maxx, so love. This was $12.99 and the picture was $9.99. Okay, this next find my daughter actually found for me and I instantly was like, put it in the cart. It is not necessarily summer decor, but I'm gonna use this every single time I have a book club. In fact, I might just use it every time I have a cocktail. And that is this chili pepper cocktail set. It's got your cocktail shaker and these cute little cocktail sticks. Cocktail stirs. Is this not adorable? Now this was a little bit pricey. This is $24.99. This would make an excellent gift, especially for a spicy book lover. The chili pepper is kind of like synonymous with spicy books. And if you know the Charlotte Grove After Dark Book Club, we are a spicy book Club. And I have a separate channel, Charlotte Grove After Dark, for our spicy book reads. And this was just perfect, but it's also great for any time of year. And summer is the perfect time to make yourself some spicy cocktails. So absolutely loved this. Very anthropology-esque, or, you know, with the glass shaker, but love. Also on the back has some recipes for you, a spicy margarita and a regular margarita, which, no, just spicy. Adorable. And to go with that, they also had these chili pepper cups. Are these not great? These are gonna be great for margaritas this summer. This is a set of 4. And they're plastic. They're $9.99, so absolutely loved these. These would be great too if you like have a taco night regularly or anything like that. Loved. Put these together. And when we do our live book club discussions, my friends Stacy and Sarah are usually here for that. So we'll be having our next round of cocktails in those. The last couple of things that I picked up were from the TJ Maxx section. One was this crab claw for my hair. I love this Piper K brand. Her clips are beautiful. I get sucked in from all of the rhinestones. Might be from my years and years and years of being a dance mom. I don't know, but I absolutely love this. And I think it's perfect for the summer. So very pretty. Match this up with like a denim dress or, you know, some kind of like nautical outfit. And I think this would be absolutely beautiful. This next sweater I absolutely love. This is by the Lucky brand. And you guys, you're gonna love it. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Absolutely loved this sweater. So very cute. It's like a nice little off-white cream with the American flag, got embroidered stars, and so very cute, right? That was $24.99. I also picked up this cute little linen sleeveless top. I thought this would be great with jeans or white jeans. Really, really light and airy. This one was $16.99. This is by the brand Max Studio London. And then the last one is also from Max Studio London, another linen, but this one has like the cute pleats in the front. Again, just a great little, you know, pair it with a cute pair of shorts or, you know, pair white denim jeans and you're all set. That one was also $16.99. So that's everything that I got at Home Goods. But right next to Home Goods, there is also a Michaels. And I wanted to just show you the couple of things that I picked up from Michaels. They had a really great 4th of July drop this year. So first things first was this great USA pillow. Love this. This is gonna look great on my front porch. Stripes. This is like, I don't know what kind of material this is. Sherpa, maybe? This was $34.99, but I got it for 50% off. I also grabbed this scalloped American flag pillow. I loved the scallops on this. Again, I think this will look beautiful on my front porch. This was $34.99 as well, but got it for 50% off. This is embroidery. Very, very, very pretty. I will tell you, I don't believe that these are like any kind, they don't have any kind of water resistance. So if you're gonna put them outside and they're gonna get rained on, I would highly recommend that you spray them. Scotchgard does have an outdoor spray that will make them water resistant. Not waterproof, but water resistant, and it'll just make them last a little bit longer. It does give them a little like UV protection as well, so the color doesn't change. My front porch is covered, so it's okay, but just keep that in mind if yours isn't. And then the last pillow that I grabbed, I actually got 2 of, and I am about to go online and see if I can order a 3rd because I want them for my bed. And that is these denim big square throw pillows. Absolutely love these. These were $39.99, but 50% off. I got 2 of them, but I need 3 for my bed. So I'm gonna go online and see if I can grab one more. They've got these beautiful stripes and I love that they're denim. I've told you guys before, denim is probably my #1 favorite material. If I could wear denim every day, I would. When I see a cute feminine denim top, I'm instantly drawn to it, and I was instantly drawn to these pillows. They're very, very, very soft. And I do believe that you can take, oh, it does not look like you can take this off. Doesn't look like you can take it off to wash it, so keep that in mind. All right, but that is everything that I picked up from Home Goods and from Michael's. I did also grab some things from Walmart, but I'm gonna save that for a separate video because there's a ton at Walmart right now that I wanna share with you. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and like to know as well at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse, because I have been sharing a lot of my finds over there as well. Outfits, home decor, all that good stuff. I like to share the things that I find in the stores with you. So glad you guys are here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, my friends.